Welcome, dear students, to Saint Xavier School, Botad. Today, we will start our new chapter that is components of food. Chapter 2 Components of Food. In chapter 1, we made list of food items that we eat. We also identified food items eaten in different parts of India and marked this on its map. See, this is your homework. You have to do it, okay? A meal could consist of chapati, dal and brinjal curry. Another may be rice, sambar and vegetable preparation of all ladies' fingers. That is bindi. Yet another meal could be appam, fish, curry and vegetables. Okay, now what are they trying to tell us? That every day in our meal, हमारी everyday की जो meal है, खाने है, उसमें सब में differentiation होता है. Yes or no? Yes. So this is the table. Just look at here. Some common meals of different regions or states are given here. They have given the two states, Punjab and Andhra Pradesh. Item of grain is makki or roti, rice of Andhra Pradesh. An item that is dal, rajma in Punjab and in Andhra Pradesh, tuar dal. So, and vegetables sarso saag and kunduru. Others curd and ghee. Punjabi also always drink that lassi that is made from curd. And in Andhra, buttermilk, ghee, pickle. Okay, so and you have to fill up this table. Take any state or region and write their food items. Okay, if we are traveling, we may eat whatever is available on the way. It may not be possible for some of us to eat such a variety of items most of the times. There must be some reasons though why meals usually consist of such a distribution. Do you think that our body needs different kinds of food for some special purpose? Just think, क्या हमारी बॉडी को हर एक टाइप के जो भी फूड आइटम्स है वो ज़रूरी है या सिर्फ हम एक टाइप के फूड खा सकते हैं? एवरी टाइप्स फूड वी नीड. ओके, see, as we know, each dish is usually made up of one or more ingredients which we get from plants or animals. These ingredients contain some components that are needed by our body and these components are called nutrient. These components are called nutrient. Nutrient contains carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. In addition, food contains dietary fibers and water which are also needed by our body. See, which are the nutrients? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, also dietary fibers and water. Do all food contains all these nutrients? With some simple method, we can taste whether cooked food or a raw ingredients contains one or more of these nutrients. The taste of presence of carbohydrates, proteins and fats are simpler to do as compared to the taste for other nutrients. See, what are they trying to tell us? कि जो भी food है उसमें सारे nutrients होते हैं. Each and every nutrient it has. So how we come to know that this food contains carbohydrates, this food contains proteins? By the taste. So this taste will discussed in the next session. Okay, today only we'll discuss only about the carbohydrates and that all nutrients. Okay, so today no discussion for this taste. Okay, we'll do in the next session. Taste for starch, taste for protein and taste for fats. Okay, so move ahead. What do various nutrients do for our body? Carbohydrates mainly provide energy to our body. Fats also give us energy. In fact, fats give much more energy as compared to the same amount of carbohydrates. Okay, foods containing fats and carbohydrates are also called energy giving foods. Why? Because from carbohydrates and fats we get energy. Okay, and proteins are needed for bodybuilding. Okay, proteins are needed for the growth and repair of our body. Food items. See some sources of carbohydrates: wheat, rice, bajra, maize, mango, melon. Okay, see now what is this? Some sources of fats: plant sources and animal sources. These are the some sources of fats. Now this is the some sources of proteins. Okay, most of the pulses it consists proteins. Okay, and grain consists carbohydrates. Okay, small quantities vitamin A keeps our skin and eyes healthy. Vitamin C helps body to fight against many diseases. Vitamin D helps our body to use calcium for bones and teeth. Food that is rich in different vitamins are shown. See here what are the benefits of vitamins. So they have given us. So first we'll discuss about the proteins. Proteins are often called bodybuilding foods. Vitamin helps in protecting our body against disease. Vitamins also help in keeping our eyes and bones and teeth and gums healthy. Okay, there are some kinds of vitamins: vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and K. There is also group of vitamin called vitamin B complex, and our body needed all types of vitamins. Okay, see vitamin A keeps our skin and eyes healthy. Vitamin C helps for body to fight against many diseases. Vitamin D helps our body to use calcium for bones and teeth. Foods that are rich in different vitamins are shown in figure. Minerals are also needed for our body in small amounts. Each one is essential. Okay, see this is the sources of vitamin A. These are the sources of vitamin B. These are the sources of vitamin C. And these are the sources of vitamin D. Okay, see this is mineral: iodine and calcium and phosphorus, all are minerals. Our body also prepares vitamin D in the presence of sunlight. Nowadays insufficient exposure to sunlight is causing vitamin D deficiency in many people. For proper growth of body and to maintain good health, some sources of different minerals are shown. Most food items usually have more than one nutrient. You may have noticed that this while recording your observation in table 2.2. However, in the given material, one particular nutrient may be present in much larger quantity than in other. For example, rice has more carbohydrates. Okay, so we can say that rice is a carbohydrate rich source. Besides this nutrient, our body needs dietary fibers also and water. Dietary fibers are also known as roughage. Roughage is mainly provided by the plants products in our foods. Whole grains and pulses, potatoes, fresh fruits and vegetables are main source of roughage. Roughage does not provide any nutrient to our body but is an essential component of our food and adds to its bulk. This helps our body get rid of undigested food. See some sources of iodine, some sources of phosphorus, some sources of iron, some sources of calcium. See डाइटरी फाइबर्स है वो भी हमारी बॉडी के लिए बहुत ही डाइजेशन के लिए बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. उस तरह से वाटर भी बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. वाटर हेल्प्स आवर बॉडी टू एब्जॉर्ब न्यूट्रिएंट फ्रॉम फूड. इट ऑल्सो हेल्प इन थ्रोइंग आउट सम वेस्टेज फ्रॉम एज यूरिन एंड स्वेट. ओके, वाटर अगर हम पियेंगे सो जो भी वेस्ट मटेरियल है वो यूरिन के द्वारा या स्वेट यानी पसीने के द्वारा हमारी बॉडी के बाहर निकल जाएगा. नॉर्मली वी कैन यूज मोस्ट ऑफ द वाटर दैट आर बॉडी नीड्स फ्रॉम द लिक्विड्स वी ड्रिंक such as water, milk and tea. In addition, we add water to most cooked foods. Let's see if there is any other source which provides water. Okay, so for today's session this much is